CAD/CAM programming is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of computer-aided design, CAD, and computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, software to create and control the production of parts and products. CAD software is used to design 2D or 3D models of parts or products, while CAM software is used to generate toolpaths and instructions for machines to produce those parts or products. This service is essential in modern manufacturing as it allows for greater precision, efficiency, and flexibility in the production process. CAD/CAM programming is used in a variety of manufacturing industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and consumer goods. It is particularly useful in industries that require complex and precise parts, such as the aerospace industry, where parts must meet strict safety and performance standards. By using CAD/CAM programming, manufacturers can reduce the time and cost of production, improve quality control, and increase the speed of product development. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company that specializes in custom metal fabrication, understands the importance of CAD/CAM programming in the manufacturing process. With over 60 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and technology to provide high-quality CAD/CAM programming services to its clients. By using state-of-the-art software and equipment, Berkness Company can design and produce complex parts and products with precision and efficiency. If you are interested in learning more about CAD/CAM programming and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on their website. Their team of experts can provide you with more information about their services and how they can help you improve your production process. With their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Berkness Company is a trusted partner for all your manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is CAD/CAM programming and how does it work in manufacturing? CAD/CAM programming is a computer-based technology that is used to design and manufacture products. CAD, computer-aided design, is used to create 2D or 3D models of the product, while CAM, computer-aided manufacturing, is used to generate toolpaths and instructions for the machines that will produce the product. The CAD/CAM software allows manufacturers to create complex designs and automate the manufacturing process, resulting in increased efficiency and accuracy. 2. What are the benefits of using CAD/CAM programming in manufacturing? There are several benefits of using CAD/CAM programming in manufacturing, including increased productivity, improved accuracy, and reduced costs. CAD/CAM software allows manufacturers to create and test designs before production, which can help identify and correct errors early on. It also allows for faster prototyping in production, as well as the ability to make changes to designs quickly and easily. Additionally, CAD/CAM programming can help reduce waste and material costs by optimizing the manufacturing process. 3. What industries use CAD/CAM programming in manufacturing? CAD/CAM programming is used in a wide range of industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and consumer goods. Any industry that requires the design and production of complex products can benefit from CAD/CAM programming. For example, in the aerospace industry, CAD/CAM programming is used to design and manufacture aircraft parts, while in the medical industry, it is used to create prosthetics and medical devices. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.